Hi everyone, I'm Cheryl, and here's what's coming up next week on the Sewing Room channel. On Monday, I'll show you what I got in my latest shopping haul. And on Tuesday, I'll show you all the neat things you can make for cross-stitch projects. Wednesday, it's tip of the week, and it's all about ruffles. Friday, I'm going to show you how to take a piece of panel fabric like this one and turn it into a gorgeous fall quilt. I have all kinds of beginners tutorials, so check below your YouTube screen for video links to other easy beginners sewing projects. Now don't forget to follow me on Instagram and check out my Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time, or I'll see you next week. Happy sewing! If you like the Sewing Room channel, one of the best ways to show your support is to subscribe by clicking on that red subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. And make sure you click on the bell so you receive notifications for all my new videos. I'm Cheryl. This is Manny. See you next time.